Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we enable dial pad tone in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to enable your dial pad tone in your Realme phone, so then how can you enable, and guys how can you use this dial pad tone setting. As you can see guys, when you enter number, so this sound is not working here, but guys you want to enable this sound. So how can you enable, then guys you can use your dial pad tone in your Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your dial pad tone setting, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your sound and vibration setting. Guys, tap here and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your haptic and tune setting. Tap here. Guys, click on your first one, sound setting, your dial pad tone setting. We will enable from this right side. After enable, guys, you can see your dial pad tone is working, as you can check. So like that guys, you can enable your dial pad tone, and guys you can use your dial pad tone setting with your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.